Freightliner Custom Chassis Corporation, also known as FCCC, specializes in designing and fabricating custom chassis for a variety of vehicles that range from recreational motorhomes to school buses. Located in Gaffney, South Carolina, and as part of the Daimler family, FCCC sought off after the idea of having virtual reality used throughout their facility for training purposes on various assembly line operations. Furthermore, we were tasked with developing a virtual reality training tool using the Unity game engine. The purpose behind the training tool is to aid with new hire training efficiency, as well as having a means of repeatability to refresh the knowledge base on infrequent assembly builds. Utilizing the HTC Vive Pro for debugging and verification testing, our objective was to create two assembly builds, one being the body angle assembly and the other one being the battery box assembly. So in addition to these two builds, we were also required to create a template that will make it easier to create future assembly builds. To go along with the template, two instruction manuals were created, which provide in-depth details and explanations on how to fully utilize the training tool, HTC Vive, and all of the associated features. Throughout the development process, there was a large amount of data collected and analyzed, which evaluated the areas of motion sickness, ease of use, and general functionality. Multiple demo sessions were constructed in a variety of environments, with ranging conditions to ensure that the training tool can be utilized by all types of people. The data collected from these sessions resulted in 83.3% of people agreeing that the tool is very easy to use. Of everyone that tested the tool, 45% of individuals had no VR experience prior to using the tool. 30% of users did experience mild symptoms of motion sickness, but this did not have any correlation to not having prior VR experience. There are multiple components that were involved in the development of the training tool, which include 3D object manipulation, coding game object scripts, and general asset integration. Expanding upon these three fundamental components inside Unity led to the training tool reaching its finalized state. Everything that we have developed so far in the training tool allows us to take these everyday assembly tasks and convert it into a virtual representation that will look something like this. Examples of functionality that we have implemented so far include torquing nuts and bolts upon proper placement, securing body angles using fixtures, attaching wires to battery terminal posts, and even fuel filter positioning. With our help in the creation of the virtual reality training tool, employees at FCCC will begin to learn the technology behind this tool in order to implement new assemblies ranging in size and complexity. With the integration that this virtual reality training tool offers, this will become an added improvement to FCCC's current training process. We would like to thank everyone who has made this project possible and hope that you will have the opportunity to try out the tool for yourself. Thank you everyone for watching.